Scrambled eggs have been made for years, but never like this.
And today, we're going to share with you some tips and tricks to get the fluffiest scrambled eggs ever. We're making breakfast for 4, so let's use 8 eggs.
To the eggs, we're going to be adding 4 tablespoons of milk, and the milk really helps to keep the eggs light and super fluffy. You could also go in with some cream here, which would make it really rich, but milk is just perfect for that light everyday breakfast.
Let's season the eggs with some salt. Now for our first tip, it's best to go in with a whisk to whisk it up. That's where you're incorporating a lot more air into the eggs. Okay, I think we've beaten the eggs well because we cannot see any of the white separate from the yolks.
Heat a skillet on medium-low, pour in the olive oil, and add in the eggs.
Once you find that the egg is beginning to set at the edge of the pan, take a ladle or a spatula and continuously drag it towards the center of the pan and allow it to cook low and slow.
Once the eggs have almost set, we're going to flip it over and allow them to cook just a little bit more on the other side. And then let's take it off the heat and plate it. For a fresh pop of flavor, we love to serve our scrambled eggs with a side of blistered cherry tomatoes.
Now let's season this with some freshly ground black pepper.
And because we love to impress, let's finish this off with some finely chopped scallions.
And look at that. Breakfast is ready. Oh, but before we go, if you're new to our channel or haven't subscribed already, subscribe. And if you hit on that bell icon, you'll get a notification every time we upload new videos.
And follow us on social media. We're on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All of the information is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. See ya!